Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Evony for iOS and Android. You get unlimited free resources, so let's get into the tutorial. So go to zoomods.com. This site has a ton of modded apps, and then we're going to find Evony. We're going to press on it, and then before it downloads, you will have to do one final step, which is a verification. So what you need to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're free and they're from the App Store. So let's just wait for this to download so I can show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright, so here it is. It's basically gonna load up and you guys will see what I'm talking about. I have a pretty bad internet, honestly, so it might take a minute to load, but you guys will see. This is pretty funny. So here it is, the final step. Evony mod installer. Please install 2 free apps. So there's 4 apps here. You pick 2 of them, you download them, and complete the instructions. TikTok, run for 30 seconds. Family Island, reach level 10. WGT Golf, reach level 10. So you just press on the one you want to do, you press tap to install, and it will bring you straight to the App Store. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe. This is how you do it. It's super cool, and this fully works, guys. As you can see, the Evony is insane. So I'm going to see you in another video, so be sure to subscribe. This is totally updated and everything, so I'm not really involved in this hacking community, but I had to try this hack and it works. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything. If you guys play Evony on the regular, because this is wild, bro, and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.